Hello and welcome to another lecture in Mastering ComfyUI for AI image generation course by techlatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like course overview, objectives, then introduction to ComfyUI, stable diffusion, and setup installation of ComfyUI on various cloud platforms including AWS, GCP, Azure. Then we had cover user interface of ComfyUI, then how you set up various models from Hugging Face in ComfyUI. Then we had cover understanding nodes and workflows in ComfyUI. Then text to image generation in ComfyUI. Now in this lecture, we'll basically explore the fascinating world of image to image workflows using ComfyUI, a powerful tool that leverages advanced AI models for video generation and image generation. We'll focus on how to transform static images into dynamic uh, video and images, so into content enhancing creative possibilities for artists, filmmakers and content creators. Okay, so once again, overview of ComfyUI. So ComfyUI is an user friendly or in node based user interface, where you can load the models from checkpoints and you can load the models from various resources like Hugging Face, and you can simply generate images. And this is basically a full-fledged process. First you upload the first you give the prompt, then set up doing some settings, and then you can generate images. Okay, so like let's move to uh, other things also. So what are the key features of ComfyUI? So text to video, image to video, video to video. Then the image to video workflow in ComfyUI primarily utilize the stable diffusion model, which is adept at adding motion to static images. This process typically involves several key steps. Input image selection, choose a base image that you wish to animate. For example, if you go on ComfyUI, okay, and if you want to animate any images, and so you can you can you can load the images and then you can animate it. So you can do various things with ComfyUI as well. Then determines the playback speed of the generated video, augmentation level, then model selection. There are a lot of things you can do like in settings, then execution and outputs and example use cases. Some of the example use cases: transforming a portrait into animated character, creating a dynamic backgrounds for presentation or videos, generating short clips for social media posts, advanced techniques to maximize the effectiveness of your image to video into project. ComfyUI consider these advanced techniques like dynamic prompts, use wildcards and variable inputs in your prompts to create varied inputs from the same base image. IP adapter integration. This tool allows for more refined control over how images are processed and animated, enhancing detail and realism in the final output. Then augmentation and strategies. Experiment with the experiment with the different augmentation level to achieve unique artistic style or maintain fidelity to original images. So in conclusion, the image to image workflows available in ComfyUI represent a significant advance in creating technology enabling users to animate still images with unprecedented ease and flexibility. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye. I will meet in next video.